Welcome back to my channel, and on today's tutorial I'll be taking you through the process of eliminating every bulge on your corset back waist point. So without no further ado, let's dive right into it. So first thing first, this is the pattern that we're going to be working with, already drafted pattern, which is basically our corset back bodice pattern. So with this being done, we're going to be keeping our yoke aside and we'll be working on the lower bodies. So at this point, please pay attention. Now we're going to relabel our pattern so you do not get confused. This is our bust point, our under bust point, our waist point, and lastly our full blouse length point. So having gotten all those basic points, we'll be working on our waist point. So take note, on your waist point, we'll be coming up by 0.75 on both the upper part and the lower part of our waist point. So like I said, on your waist point, come up by 0.75 and go down by 0.75. So that is what I'm doing at this point. 0.75 at the upper side of your waist point and 0.75 at the lower part of your waist point. So having done that, still on your waist point, you'd be coming in by 0.5 inch on the side, which is basically this. Having done that, we'd go ahead to reintroduce our straight ruler and would be connecting from that 0.75 at the upper side of our waist point all the way into the 0.5 inch that we came in with on our waist point. So at this point, basically watch what I'm doing and do go ahead to replicate same. So this is it for the upper side. We'd go ahead to replicate that same process for our lower side. So now we'd be connecting from that point, which is the 0.75 at the lower side of our waist, into the 0.5 inch that we came in with on our waist point. So with this being done, you've successfully eliminated every bulginess at your waist point for your corset back body. So we'll go ahead to make the stroke. So this part, we're going to be taking it off. So now on your waist point, you could either slash it open and take out those darts on both sides. But now to make it much more simpler and easier, we're going to be slashing on the lower part of our 0.75 on our waist point. So basically watch what I'm doing and go ahead to replicate same. So as you're cutting, please ensure you do not cut it off entirely, but make it as close as possible to that point. And now you're going to be dragging from the lower side all the way up to the upper side of 0.75 inch to eliminate that dart that we have at that point. So having successfully eliminated our bulge, the next thing you'll go in to do is to either tape this other part down with your masking tape, or you could hold it down with your water gum. So whatever you have, just work with it. So for mine, I'm going to be using my water gum. So on that part, I'll go ahead to spread my water gum all the way around. If you've watched this video to this point, what are you waiting for? Subscribe, like, share, and follow for more of this related content. So having spread our water gum on that point, the next thing we'd go ahead to do is, at the upper side of the 0.75 that we came up with on our waist point, we're going to be dragging the lower part and we'll be overlapping it on that point. So you see how perfect this is? This is the end result you certainly come out with if you follow through the process and you've gotten it right. So with this being done, you've successfully eliminated every bulginess on your waist point for your corset back bodies. With that being said, we'd head over to bring back our yoke and we're going to be placing it on each other to see the full final result of what we have on that point. So now keeping this aside, the lower bodies, we're going to be bringing our yoke, which is this. As a fashion designer, the perfection and the excellent waist cleat effect that this bulge dart elimination technique would give your corset back bodies cannot be overemphasized. It's a game changer and it's a must try for every fashion designer. Thank you and see you on my next video. Bye!